Imagine you're comparing and contrasting two elements. For example, we're going to compare the Beatles and Queen. So I could say that while the Beatles came from Liverpool, Queen came mostly from the London area, or at least they were students at the time in London. Because I'm going to continue comparing and contrasting them, and I have already mentioned the words the Beatles and Queen, and I don't want to repeat it. Now that I'm going to mention another idea, I could say, while the former were successful in the 1960s, the latter had their heyday in the 1970s and 80s. That way, by using the former and the latter, I'm not repeating again the Beatles and Queen. So when you use the former, you're referring to the first element you've mentioned, and the latter, you're referring to the second or the last element in the sentence. So to avoid repetition, you could say the former and the latter to make reference to the first element or the last element mentioned on a list.